Hello and welcome to Research Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are talking about LLM from MNLU Mumbai. We have also made previously videos on all the other NLUs which offer LLM program. So do check those out as well if you want to know about any other particular NLU. So in this video, we will be discussing about the program details, the admission process into this course, the specializations that MNLU offers, and the placement data if there is any. But before we move forward, we have a CLAT PG scholarship test, which is on 17th September, which is Sunday between 2 to 4 p.m. You can register for this test for free and take it for free by the link given in the description box, and you can earn up to 100% of scholarships. Now coming back to the video, let's look at the LLM program from MNLU Mumbai, which is a one-year LLM, which is divided into 2 semesters. Now, if you look at the total intake keeps changing, but up until recently, the total intake is around 50 students for LLM. You can look at the classification. There is some domicile quota as well, and there are some other reservations, and you can see whether you qualify for anything. But there are overall around 50 seats for MNLU Mumbai. Now looking at the fee structure also keeps getting revised every year, but up until 2024, the fee structure is 2,64,510. This is inclusive of your hostel fee as well. So you can also check out the distribution and the division from the MNLU website. Now coming to the specializations which MNLU offers currently. So MNLU currently offers 3 specializations. First is corporate and commercial laws, second is constitutional and administrative law, and third is maritime laws. Now, MNLU also offers another LLM program which does not take admissions through CLAT PG. It is in collaboration with NISM, on which we'll separately make a video, but that is also a very interesting course and you should check that out as well. Now coming to the admission process for this course, which is offered by MNLU, the admission process is through the CLAT PG exam, which is held every year in December for the upcoming academic year. So for the academic year 2024-2025, the exam will be held in December 2023. Now let's look at the cutoff trends. So cutoff trends keep varying, and the reason why you are seeing that the all India ranks are closing very under 100,000 is because this is the cutoff for the general category candidate. Now MNLU offers a lot of domicile quota as well. So yes, in those categories, the cutoffs close on very different ranks. But we are talking about the general category candidate. So you can see that well within All India rank 1000, the MNLU Mumbai seats are filled for general quota candidates. Now coming to the placements for LLM candidates. Now this is a very controversial area because there's not much of clarity with respect to whether a LLM student will be able to get placement from the college itself. So very few NLUs as of now look into the placements for LLM candidates, and unfortunately MNLU has not made any data available for the same. So, and since it's a very recent college, it is very unlikely that they have an active placement cell for its LLM candidates. But you should definitely pursue the course if your intention is to pursue academics or higher studies, then you can consider this course. But if you're specially looking for placements after LLM, then this might not be the best option. So with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this content, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.